So brave a lot, with sword in hand, ventured through an enchanted land. The trees were tall, the skies were bright, but something rolled into his sight. Down the hill with a rumbling sound, a giant boulder spun around. So brave a lot ran, his heart in a race. What's that thing that's chasing his pace? He faces a boulder rolling fast, but soon this race will not last. He hid behind the tree so wide, peeking out, trembling inside. But when the boulder came to rest, a giant hedgehog puffed its chest. With a happy grin, it gave a spin. That was fun, can we roll again? So brave a lot, who scratched his head. You're no boulder